Alright, so basically in this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you a Zap that I already created, and what I'm going to do is basically just paste the screenshot, that you're seeing on the screen. I want this to be, I want this as a prompt for this Copilot to be able to generate it. So basically what I've done is I've sent this prompt to ChatGPT that give prompt for Zapier to form this Google Docs to HN video using my avatar then delete account. So this is basically this is the one I was trying to integrate HN, so that I showed you in the last video. So what we want to do is basically we just want to simply create the same Zapier automation workflow. So let me just open this in the Open Image New tab, and what I'll do is I will go over here and I will paste this. Create the give me the prompt to paste in Zapier Copilot in order to recreate this whole automation workflow from scratch. Right? So we basically have this screenshot given to ChatGPT. So it will give you the prompt. I want to create an automation workflow in Zapier with the following steps. Trigger is YouTube when a new video is uploaded to my channel. Then action event RSS by Zapier, create a new item in RSS feed. So you just copy this and then you just paste it and then send it. Right? So we just go through it. Action RSS by Zapier, create a new item in RSS feed, feed URL, generate an RSS feed in Zapier, feed title, use video title and formatted by formatted play URL, max 100. So then we have Facebook, LinkedIn, and LinkedIn for 2 LinkedIn accounts and then Slack. Right? So it has created this, as you can see. So what we do is we just add all the steps to Zap. Now you can see without even doing all the steps on your own, you can use the Copilot, but just by getting the prompt from ChatGPT and pasting it, you can easily get this. Now you just need to fill in the basic steps that you can do very easily. Your account you've connected, right? So configure channel. So here you basically have to give in your channel ID, right? So I have shown you. You go to YouTube Advanced settings. So you go here to YouTube Advanced and choose your channel ID. And by the way, you can use this. So you basically copy your channel ID, copy, and you go over to here to paste it. Once you've done this, you continue with your next step and you test the trigger, right? You test trigger. So this will be successful because we've already done this. So find new records and continue with selected record. Then RSS by Zapier, create item and feed. Then we continue. Now what we need to do is basically we have to give the feed URL. So we choose RSS by Zapier. This is the feed that I have created for my Tile Navigator. And what we do here is basically copy the feed ID. So this is the ID URL. So you copy this and paste this. You can check from here as well. This was the previous one when I created, and this is the same as this VP21, whatever it is. So you copy and you paste here. So this is the feed URL that you pasted. And feed title, the easy way to improve your tone perception without distractions. Feed title and all that, they have this Copilot is already fed in, right? So you have item title, max records you have 100. Feed title, then item title, source URL, we have the URL content. We'll paste all these things and then automatically truncate message over 10 KB. Basically, use this feed to control whether Zapier will truncate data or generate an error if the data is too large. So yeah, we have to truncate it over 10 KB. Then author name you have to add as my channel title, Tile Navigator. Author email you can put in if there's email shown here. So is there email? So if it's not there, you can put in your email. So I'll just copy my email from here. So all these tasks you can complete because it's very self-explanatory and you can do that. So this once you have done RSS, you have to just close this. I'll copy my email ID and paste it here, author email, and then author link, any other links that you need to provide. So I will provide my YouTube URL, right? YouTube URL you provided, and media URL, all of these things. You can skip these because they are not compulsory fields. Then we test step. So yes, basically we have been able to do this, and everything has been, description is posted, and all of these things have been done. So we have tested step, then we continue. Now we use formatter by Zapier, and action event is text. So basically work with text data to find and replace, capitalize, remove HTML and more with line item support, continue, configure, transform. So we just need to capitalize or do anything. So let's just capitalize the first character of every word, input. We don't need to choose that, we continue with this, we test step. So formatter is fail to create a text transform in formatter. Okay, so instead of formatter, let me just use this one, uppercase. Let's just try that, test step. Okay, so what was it saying? A text transform is sent. Okay, so this is successful. Now create page photo. We have to choose our Facebook account. So we'll link that. Yes, continue. So Facebook account you choose as your account. Once you've done that, Facebook login for business, you have to log in here. And we wait. Yeah, so we reconnect with Zapier. Once you've done that, you get your account selected here. Then we continue. And all these things you have to choose. So page you can choose career guidance, and photo is necessary. So you can choose the photo from the YouTube channel or the item. So basically you use you can go over to create item, ID no, photo, right? Enter file objects to publicly accessible URLs we can pull the photo from. So max res is basically the one you have to choose. Thumbnail max res URL, and description if you want you can put. So basically you have description also put in here, and we continue. Then we test this step. So we wait for it, and yes, this is also success. Then we create share update. We add account. So we first add our LinkedIn account, which is and yes, we have chosen it, and then we configure that comment. We can basically see for that. Comment what title, obviously we'll choose that as a comment, invisible to anyone. Content title, you can add all these things, so I'll add these. Description, you add your description from the description of the YouTube video. Title you choose as this title, and then image URL you choose max res, right? And content URL you choose your YouTube URL, whatever that is. So this is the URL, and yes, so you're done with this. You continue and test it. So if this passes, then we move on to our next step. Now this is for our second account. We change our account, connect a new account. So we'll choose our new account, and let me see. We have another account connected. Wait a second. Do we have the correct account? Not. Wait. Let me just stop this Copilot because this is creating some errors. So connect, test. Wait. Let me do what? Let me reconnect. For some reason, this is not taking any other. Why is that happening? Okay, continue. Let me just see. Comment. We can add the comment as title again. So title, and we remove this. Visible to anyone. Content title. Content description. We remove this, and we add description from here. So description we add an image URL, high URL, and we have the YouTube URL. Then we test it. Now this might fail. Okay, this is not fail. So we move on to Slack. We connect our account with Slack. Allow it. And yes, our account is connected. Then we continue. Select the channel. So channel is called Tag Navigator, and you can choose from anyone. Add Zapier app to channel automatically. Right. So message text you can add as new video and channel title, and send as a bot. Yes, bot name Zapier. Bot icon. You can add that. Attach image by URL. So you can use the max res. And then yeah, send channel message. Yes, continue. Yes, and then we test it. So this trigger would be activated whenever there is a new YouTube video. So let us just try that, and I'll